Hello and welcome. We are talking getaways today.
So hello, I'm Greta Andrews. I'm the Regional Marketing Manager for our Mid-Atlantic and Northeast stores.
My name is Carla Milan Schultz. I help support marketing in the Florida East region and love to do what I do.
What are MarineMax Getaways?
I have to echo a previous great wise voice. Fun. It's fun. Yeah. It's fun. It's a series of events that MarineMax puts together to go explore the waters, the great blue sea, and create wonderful friendships.
Customers are an exclusive benefit of being a MarineMax customer, and they're really a great trip that we do all of the legwork for you. We plan it, we help book your slips, we find the restaurants, we plan some activities. So you can come with us, experience a new location that could be uncharted waters or someplace you've always wanted to go and you're like, I'm not comfortable driving my boat, I'm a new boat owner, help me. So we help you enjoy your boat, take you to boating locations, and most importantly, have fun.
We interviewed a couple that bought, it was a smaller Sea Ray boat, and they were talking with their sales guy, really wanted to go on a getaway to the Keys. I think they were in Pompano, and they were kind of afraid to take their boat because they've never made that run before. Upon recommendation from the sales guy, they joined the getaway, they went to the Keys, and now they go all the time. They just had to get over that hump of, I've never done it before, so it's a little scary. And I have to imagine that's a big piece of you're showing people how to use their boat.
That's right. And whether it's pre-check-in, we're going to make sure you have your spare parts list. Mm-hmm. We are going to plan all the functions that are going to take place and all the good times that we're going to be doing. And we're with you along the way. And also meeting friends along the way, too.
Yeah.
That become lifelong friendships.
And then another one we did up north is we went to Provincetown, Massachusetts, a few years ago on the Cape, which was phenomenal. Provincetown is a very colorful, great town. So we did, we had a drag show.
Oh my gosh.
Which is very quintessential to, or iconic to Provincetown. We did I think it was a disco themed dinner party with some of our owners. We had a great brunch. It was amazing. It is a town I probably never would have gone to. I'm like, Cape Cod, I get it. Never would have gone to, and MarineMax brought me there, and it brought our guests there, and it was a great time.
From the customer standpoint, if I don't know what I'm getting into, how would you explain the course of the weekend or multiple day event that you're holding?
Well, we always got to start off with a welcome reception.
Yeah.
Cocktails, hors d'oeuvres, entertainment, you name it. And we always throw in something fun. Maybe it's a theme party that we're going to do the following day. We've had who has the best frozen cocktail with a blender contest out in the Bahamas once. And we just throw all kinds of fun that our customers like to enjoy and do something different.
Oh, that's fun. So let's talk about frozen cocktails for a minute. How did that work? So everybody's on their own boat, and it's like, okay, whatever you have, what's your cocktail? Come up with the cocktail, and you just kind of walk around?
And we do a yacht hop. And so we have the Smith family coming, who is an Azimut owner, comes and checks out our Ocean Alexander customers, the Black family, and they're like, wow, this is really nice. We have all kinds of customers that are there at the event, and sometimes they become Ocean Alexander customers, sometimes they become other, and it's just a wonderful way because we're all united by water, and we're there celebrating the love of water on the awesome products that MarineMax distributes.
Yeah. One of the other things that I hear customers talk about all the time is the connections they make. Not only do you get to experience a new location and you get to go with a group that has your back in case anything happens with your boat while you're underway, but when you get to the docks and all those fun things that you just listed, the connections that you make. Can you talk a little bit about what you see when you get customers together?
You see new lifelong friends. We have customers that'll be like, oh, hey, it's Bernie and Donna. And you always know behind Bernie and Donna are Pete and Jen, who are friends they've met on the getaways, and they're coming along, and Chris and Janine, and it's great to see because it's getaways where they have met each other, and it's like, or Bernie said I had to come to this, and it's like, I love this. This is what MarineMax does. So they meet new boaters, and we meet it's a great opportunity for us to introduce the boating lifestyle to people. So it's awesome to really see it because everyone comes in a little package now.
I worked in MarineMax Clearwater store for a little bit and planned some getaways. One of them was a scalloping trip. So we headed a little bit north from Clearwater up to Homosassa. And I have a little bit of an irrational fear of the water from the movie Jaws. I have this thing, I just don't, like, I want to see below me, right? So scalloping was a huge personal, hurdle that I overcame, and I will never forget that. And it was the comfort of the entire group. It was like, if everybody else is out doing this, okay, I can do it. So I went in and I got one and I got out. I was like, okay, I'm good. And then I got in, and then finally I got in all the way, and I ended up with a bag of scallops. And if you've never been scalloping, it's basically underwater Easter egg hunt. It's little shell guys, and they swim a little bit, and you gotta dig in the seagrass. Have you been scalloping?
Yes, ma'am.
It's an incredible experience, and then you all come back to the docks, and you have that docktail party and meet with people. I mean, that's something I will never forget, and it's just a personally a hurdle that I overcame. And MarineMax allowed me to go go scalloping and conquer a fear. And now I'm like, yeah, let's go
lobstering. We go to the lobster bash where we have 70 between boats and yachts go over to Bimini and opening season of lobster season in the Bahamas, and of course a beautiful Bahamian blues. We're all there together having a blast, and if you want to go lobstering and learn how to do that, you know a girl.
Yeah, and everyone shares that love of boating, so you have automatic camaraderie with everyone on the trip.
Yes. Everyone, they're always like, let me see, what do you have? It's like your toy. Let me see your boat. What do you have in there? So it's great. People, even we have our azimuth owners, or galleon or Sea Ray owners. We don't, come one, come all.
Yeah, I love it. All right, that's a ton of information. I'm sure we could talk getaways all day. Again, if you'd like more information about MarineMax Getaways, go to marinemax.com/events, and we hope to see you out on the water.